get a Bengal if what you're looking for is a sweet, gentle lap cat or a living sculpture that requires little interaction. The intelligent, curious Bengal is highly active. Constantly on the move, he loves climbing to high places, enjoys playing fetch and going for walks on leash, and thrives best when he has access to a large outdoor enclosure where he can indulge in the favorite feline hobby of bird watching. Some Bengals are fond of playing in water, and you may find yours fishing out of the aquarium if you're not careful. This is a happy, entertaining cat who wants lots of attention. He does best with a person who spends a lot of time at home and will enjoy playing and interacting with him. The short coat is easy to groom with weekly brushing. Trim the nails as needed.
The Bengal's beautiful coat comes in many background colors, ranging from golden, rust, brown and orange to sand, buff and ivory. Bengal spots also vary in color, from rust or cocoa and chocolate brown to charcoal or black.
Some Bengal coats have striking rosettes or spots made up of more than one color, usually a secondary color forming a dark outlining to the spot. Bengal coats also come in a marbled pattern, one or more colors swirled into the background color. While most commonly seen in the brown spotted tabby pattern, they may also be found in the marbled pattern.
A Bengal's coat can have hairs with an iridescent sheen, making it look as if it has been sprinkled with glitter.
If you love a cat with an exotic look, but without the size and danger of a wild cat, the Bengal was developed with you in mind. Created by crossing small Asian leopard cats with domestic cats, this large-boned, short-haired cat stands out for his spotted or marbled coat of many colors.